What's today's date?
Today is the day that we arrive here in Washington.
What you mean? What you mean? What you mean, bro? What you mean, bro? Okay.
So today is 29th.
Oh, wow. So, happy 1 year?
Yeah, 1 year anniversary.
Happy 1 year away from him.
And it's still cold. Oh.
Did you sign this already?
Yeah.
We need to make a copy of this, just in case.
Yeah.
Please, I need that. How come you did not put the date?
It's okay. The important is the sign, not the date. Anyway, so we're heading to Ode's working place. I'm going to drop her off. But before that, we're going for lunch. How was it? My sipon is tulok-tulok because it's hot.
Spicy but lamig siya.
Yeah. The best. I think it's the best ramen here in Seattle.
Talaga? I don't think so.
According to Yelp.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Alright.
That's great.
Alright, I just arrived. It's raining. Alright. Alexa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Love listening to podcasts? Ask me to play your favorite podcast on TuneIn, and I'll play it for you.
Alexa, play it.
Here's a station you might like. Damian Marley.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Jam rock, jump where the thugs and camp at. Two pounder within a van back. It in your handbag, your knapsack.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. She can't hear me, babe. Alexa, stop. Too loud. Oh. I'm going to edit and do some chores. Folding the clothes and watching the Frost family Steph. She's live right now and I don't know if you can see her, but she has a nice voice. Play background on that while folding the clothes.
Without
guys. Alright, thank you so much you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. It's not perfect. It has been a while since I played the guitar and sang at the same time. So sorry for not a perfect performance. But yeah, I just wanted to do your vlogging while I'm going live. Are you featuring me on your live on your vlog right now, Ian? Here, feature me and I'll say, hi Ian, thank you for vlogging while I'm going live. Alright you guys, thank you so much. That is all. Somebody's joining me. Leon's right here. He's done watching Bubble Guppies. Leon, you wanna say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Shucks, the camera doesn't focus well.
Bye. No. Alright. When is the next time? I have no idea. This is kind of like just
This is so cool.
I don't know, an impulsive decision to make a live video and kind of sing to you guys.
But yeah, really, I mean,
Yeah.
Steph's a good singer.
I put on makeup today. I tried.
So, wait, sorry, Steph, I'm going to pause you for a while. So, if you haven't really know who is Steph or the Frost family, I'll put the link in the description box. And try watch their vlogs. They have the 2 kids. They're super cute, and we met them once. I'll just put also on the link down below. You know, if you want to see the time that we meet. So anyway, I'll just continue folding these clothes and do some edits. Bye.